Now, can you remember the 3 ways of checking how much water is on your paper?
Shine.
Shine is the first one. That's what we were looking at when we dropped our head down and see the shine across here, and we can see where we've missed places and see what the coverage is like. It's really shiny when you first put it on, and as it starts to dry, you see it loses its shine and it goes matte. So shine's the first one. What's the next one?
Temperature.
Temperature's another one. That's the final one. In between there is another one. It's shine is where it's very wet. Shape is what I've got now. The paper's not flat.
Oh, the shape.
It's very matte, but it's not flat. I can feel this huge puffiness in here. There's a real lot of puffiness in the. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but yeah, it's impossible to see. But I can feel that from here it goes up, puffs up, and it's all kind of big hills in here of the paper. Because there's so much water in there, the paper's still expanded. It's got nowhere to go with the tape, so it has to go up. So it's puffy. As soon as you feel the paper's puffy like that, you know there's still water in it. So I can tell from the shape of this paper that there's still water in there. I've got to dry it really rock solid dry. And after you've dried it until you get it really flat, the next question is, what's the temperature feel like? If drying it with a hairdryer for quite a while, the paper should all feel very hot. If you feel any patches of cool, it means there's still water in underneath there, and it's going to gradually come up to the top. So you know it's completely 100% dry when you've been drying it for a while and the paper's dead flat. There's no shine, of course. The paper's dead flat, and when you feel your hand all over it, it's warm everywhere. There's no patches of cool temperature.